like just loyal. Like you what you see is what you get with him, and I can only imagine how much of a joy it has been for you guys to watch him, because even me, like in this past 5 days since I was watching, he kills me all the time, bro. Like we went to the same high school, we were not really in the same group of friends, however we always had maintained that level of respect with each other, and it just continued in the house, you know. Oh snap, I'm sorry, someone's knocking. Hey, Dixie. Oh my goodness. Okay, let me start with this.
Just read that.
Yeah. Oh my goodness, I'm even shaking, man. How do you shake? Oh my goodness. To Beekay, fell in love with your character, the way you played the game, and we are proud of you. Good luck for your future endeavors. From a fan, Kiamukhetsi. Oh my goodness, thank you so much. Oh my goodness. Thank you so much, Kiamukhetsi. Okay, I see it. I see the biltong. I see the red label. How did you know I like whiskey? I see the bananas. Yo, you guys saw how much I chopped bananas. Yo. Oh, and frankly nuts. Yeah, there's something that I need to tell you about these nuts, man. I'm actually allergic to peanuts. I'm allergic to all sorts of nuts. However, I'll definitely keep these ones for my family. I'll keep them for my siblings, because they love nuts. We always used to bicker about nuts, like for my whole life. But yo, man, this is so nice. Shucks. Yo, thank you so much, bro. This is my first gift. The first of many. Thank you so much. Oh, so. Man. Now you got too much, yo. Fill me up.